Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today's the day we ride, and unfortunately it's been raining since like 5:30 a.m. My little tent over there is filled with water. I'll show you some clips of this.
And where down we go, where down we go, till where down we go, way down we go.
Welcome back to day 3. And like anything in life, this storm just passed. We got clear skies and I'm ready to ride. We're gonna head over to my buddy Bobby's camp, pick him up, and head out on some awesome rides. I don't think anything could ruin this day.
How many pounds did it have? 4 pounds. Those little Layton pumps are dope. Only 4 pounds of tire pressure. Wow. We're waiting for my buddy Landon. All the shop guys I rode out here with, they're still showering and everything, so we're gonna kind of split up today, but yeah, let's go see some scenic roads.
Gotta go to Spearfish. We're gonna pick up my buddies that we're hanging out with, and then we're gonna go the back way to Mount Rushmore, I guess.
All right, Mount Rushmore and Iron Mountain Road and all that?
Yeah, he wants to do all of it.
Hey, let's do it.
Alright, well, I got 100 miles left, so we got somewhere along the line to stop, give me some fuel.
Get some fuel? All right.
We're finally going on a ride and I am stoked. But what we didn't realize is Bobby's tires were losing tire pressure and fast.
Flat.
Back tire?
Yeah. We'll see if they got a tire here somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go on the sidewalk, Bobby.
Going on the grass.
Like that.
Right? Well, he was out of air. He had 4 pounds of pressure when we were back there, and then he filled it up, and then it leaked that fast.
Must have something in there.
It's been a hell of a trip already.
Yeah.
There goes your ride. All right, we're out here towards the JP Cycle booth. That little air in Bobby's tire wasn't enough because his tire was popped. It looks like his front one is too, so he's not happy about that. Landon had to dip out because he was meeting a buddy up in Deadwood, so we'll see what the rest of the shop guys are, see if they want to meet us here. We got to head into JP Cycles anyway and get Bobby a throttle lock, one of those things you rest your hand on. And yeah, that'll be the day. Hopefully we get some riding in. We'll see. I really want to go to Iron Mountain Road. Every day somebody's broken down. I haven't been able to get any riding in here at Sturgis, but as always, man, it's part of the journey. Makes for a good story. Just gotta keep on keeping on. All right.
We got Bobby 2 new tires, and at first he thought it was my Layton pump overinflated his tires, but that just wasn't the case. It was the tires that he had with the tubes just didn't work together and pop the tube. So Bobby's got 2 new tires. We're on the road ready to go. The shop boys are at the Red Garter in Keystone, so we're headed that way, and we're going to take you along with us. We're headed out of this freaking Sturgis. This is going to be the farthest I've gone since we've been here at the Sturgis rally. I literally haven't left this here town since we got here, so I'm excited to get out. I'm excited to get on the road and see some scenic rides, get into the mountain trees with some cooler temperatures. It's going to be beautiful, and finally link up with all the rest of the guys. So we should have a really nice group. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, man, and watching. If you guys have watched all the videos so far, man, I really appreciate it. But make sure you guys give that thumbs up, or hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. And if you got anything to say, man, comment down below. Appreciate that. All right, guys, well, let's go see the scenic stuff. My favorite. You love riding motorcycles? Black Hills National Forest. Welcome to Keystone.
Keystone.
The home of the beer.
The home of the beer, he says. All right, we're looking for the red garter. I think it's this one up. Meet up with the rest of the guys. And then we're gonna hit Iron Mountain Road, see Mount Rushmore and all that. What up, dude? Yeah, I'm always the guy, dude. I'm the guy that just, if you ride with me, your shit will break.
We're finally reunited with the guys, and we're ready to ride some scenic roads.
Take a ride the road or what? Let's do it.
Check that out. Mount Rushmore.
But they're smaller heads than you think from all the pictures you see, right?
I heard there's a secret back room in that bitch. Because you can stop and walk and look at check out some documents, bro.
do you need gas?
Road beer.
Road sodas?
Road beer, yeah.
Hey, Trent, what do you think?
Good.
Sick, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Iron Mountain Road was incredible. The pigtail bridges, the tunnels, the great company, switchback turns. We had an absolute blast. Now it's time to gas up. Then we're gonna head back to camp because we're seeing Jelly Roll tonight.
We just pulled into the gas station right now. Yeah, we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Mile motorcycle at the
That's
Sturgis
my
Museum.
machine, yeah.
That's your machine.
Yep.
Holy
This is
shit.
a 20. He's got 85,000 on it.
85,000 miles on it. Now that's crazy. 1,000,000 miles on a motorcycle. 7 rebuilds. I would have thought it'd been a little bit more than that. That's incredible. He's got a motorcycle at the Harley Museum that's over 1,000,000 miles on it. How do I do that?
Ride 1,000,000 miles. On a motorcycle. Hold on.
85,000.
Just a second. I just had a knee replacement. Oh, hear that crack?
Yeah.
I just had a knee replacement. Somebody pick the bottom of that up. Bottom of it. So I don't got the tank. Take a picture. A little bit. Look, don't hurt me. A little bit more. A little bit. Ow! Oh!
He broke his leg! What do you do?
What the heck did you do I Your face is
We got him. Well, it was a pleasure to meet you. What was your name one more time?
What's that?
What was your name one more time?
Senator Dave Zien.
Senator Dave Zien. I'm Jeremy. Pleasure to meet you. Hey, safe travels. I do. All right, gas stop complete. We might have spent a little bit more time than we wanted to here, but it was nice to relax in the shade. And it was really cool to meet the 1,000,000-mile motorcycle guy. Kevin wants to grab a poker chip, and then we're off to Jelly Roll. Let's fucking roll. Thanks for your support, Bobby.
Oh, you got everything I got, dog. Support, money, house. Not my woman, though.
So we're at the pickup spot for the bus. We're about to get a ride out to Buffalo Chip Campground. And we're gonna go see Jelly Roll. The fucking windows are fucking steaming. Bro, I'm fucking stoked. Holy shit.
In front of me. Now the past is outside and now
Hey, open your eyes if you're sweaty. See, I told you.
I changed, now I'm back chasing
Welcome to
these
Sturgis
right.
2024!
I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs,
Road bitch 3 state lines. That's all I gotta say.
'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. These back roads guide me. These pills just pretend to be my friend. I'm done for the last time. I'm lying to myself again. I always say that. Now I'm on my way back here somehow. I should know by now. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. Mistakes I made, I paid for them in cash. Walked a million miles on broken glass. I'm feeling like I'm fading. My heart's been slowly breaking. Might pop a pill and smoke and maybe drink. Talk to God and tell him what I think. At first he's gonna hate me, but eventually he'll say, I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new